Time for another happy studying session with Mometrix Academy. Hi, and welcome to this video lesson on creating a table for an algebraic equation. Now I realize algebra scares most students, and creating a graph or a table for an algebraic equation terrifies the rest. But don't worry, we'll start easy. Let's take a look at this first equation. The equation d is equal to 1.3 times t, where d is the distance in meters and t is the time in seconds, represents a swimmer's total approximate distance during a 1500 meter race. Create a table showing the swimmer's approximate distance after 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 16 minutes. Let's start first with what we know, which actually are our unknowns, d and t. d is equal to the distance swam. T is equal to the time it takes to swim that distance. So for example, T could also be like miles per hour, but in this case it's going to be meters per second, which is what they tell us right there. We are going to be multiplying whatever T is by 1.3. First, it appears that they have given us 1 minute or 60 seconds. I'm using seconds here because the problem told us T was time in seconds. Multiplying 1.3 by 60 equals 78. But 78 what? Well, the problem tells us that d is in meters, so 78 meters is going to be our answer. We then do the same thing for the other two problems. Multiply the number of seconds by 1.3 meters per second and get a certain distance. In the second case, 390. And lastly, 1248. See, that's not so bad. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching this video lesson, and until next time, happy studying.